At Aston University, all your assignments will be submitted digitally. However, there may be times when you want to print a document for revision or safekeeping. The library printers have the ability to both print and staple documents. First, on the computer or laptop, select Aston Uniprint in the printer settings. Select the appropriate page size, colour settings, and single or double-sided as required. Remember to be mindful of the environment. Here are some tips to help reduce your footprint. Select one page or a page range from the document rather than printing the whole thing. If you can, stick to black and white printing only. If you are printing a presentation, select the option to print multiple slides per page, as this will save both ink and paper wastage. Select Print and head over to your printer. Remember to check if the printer is black and white only or a colour printer. Next, scan your Unicard on the card reader to the right of the touchscreen. If this is your first time using the library printers, you will need to log in using your Aston University credentials and then scan the card a second time. Then select Print Release. You will see a list of the documents you have sent to the printer on screen. Select the document you want to print, then select Print. Your document will be printed. If you need to staple the document, gather the pages together and select the black button on the top of the printer. While the light is flashing, insert the corner of the document to the slot on the side of the printer. You will hear the papers being stapled. Your document is now printed and stapled.